is Wouter Poortinga. I'm Professor of Environmental Psychology at Cardiff University, and I have designed the Make It Green module for the Kronos 3 survey. It's a module on the environment, most notably on climate change, and it's to find out how people feel about climate change and climate action. Now, what we found in the module is that most people recognize the reality of climate change, and they think it's in the here and in the now. So people know climate change is real and it's happening. However, the concern about climate change is much lower than we would expect on the basis of that. So about 40% are very or extremely worried about climate change. Now, people support climate action. However, they're not confident that it will be fair. So when we're looking at the data, whether people think it will be fair to everyone, so there will be distributions of the benefits and the costs, people have concerns. So that's very important for policymakers. So when we take climate action, it is people who are feeling the effects. So we need to consult people what kind of action is possible, which kind of policies they are willing to accept.